Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable guest browsing on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the launcher and search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says privacy and security. And then underneath privacy and security on the right, select where it says manage other people. There should be an item here that says guest browsing. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position to the right. So then on the lock screen, there'll be an option for guests to sign into their own account. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.